Model, 64-plate Isuzu D-Max Yukon twin cab pickup none runner 82k low miles needs engine repair no VAT. Body, green 4x4. Mileage, 82,615. Engine, 2,499 cc 4JK1 intercooler E5A. Transmission, 6-speed manual. Mechanical summary, Enginge does not start, engine has a hole in the block, so ideally wants a replacement fitting in weary. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, 2 former keepers, tow bar, cruise control, electric windows, alloy wheels, air con. Euro status, Euro 5.